In this video, I'll show you how to use the import button to copy content from someone else's syllabus. Before we start, you need to know the term and the CRN of the class you're copying from, so you'll want to ask the person sharing their syllabus with you if they haven't given you this information yet. Now, go to your syllabus dashboard and find your newer syllabus, the one you want to copy content into, and click on the Edit button. This will open the editor. Click the Import button on the left-hand side to open the Import menu. Notice at the top, there are 3 stages to the import that we will be moving through in order of left to right, and each one has its own screen. Right now, we are on the Select Source screen, which is where you will pick the syllabus you want to copy from. First, you must select the term that the syllabus belongs to. Then, you can either search by subject and by course number, or you can just type the CRN into the search bar. When you find the correct syllabus that you'll be copying from, click on it, which will open up the second screen called Map Content. If you just want to copy the entire syllabus at once, you can just click the Finalize button, and then click Start Import of the following content to complete your import. However, let's go back to the previous screen and say that we don't want to copy the entire syllabus, we just want to copy certain specific sections. So instead, we're going to hit the toggle next to Advanced, and 2 columns will appear below. The left side lists different section headings from your old syllabus, and the right side represents what you're doing to your current syllabus. How this works is you're going to look at each section from the old syllabus on the left and use the drop-down on the right to choose whether or not you want that section copied and where it should go. So let's take this one section heading as an example. If I don't change anything, all of the content from grading procedures on my old syllabus is going to copy into the grading procedures section on my new syllabus. If I need to see what content lives in this section, I can click on the section name as a link, and it will open in a new tab. So here's how that section looks on the old syllabus, and I'm going to look at this and think to myself, is this what I want to copy and where do I want it to go? To get back to the import screen, I'm just going to close this tab and it will take me back. If I don't want grading procedures to import, I'm going to click on this drop-down, scroll all the way to the top, and click Do Not Import. Something else I could do is choose to put this content in a totally different section. So if I choose, for example, course procedures, now all the content from the grading procedures section on the old syllabus will get rerouted and copied into the course procedures section on the new syllabus instead of grading procedures. I can also create a brand new section by choosing Create New Component. So for example, on my old syllabus, I made my own section called Tutors for Nursing Students. But on my new syllabus, I don't have a section like that yet. So if I choose Create New Component, it will add a new section heading called Tutors for Nursing Students to my new syllabus. So for our example, let's pretend that I don't want anything else to come over. So I'm going to start at the top and just go one by one and select Do Not Import for everything that I don't want to import. The only ones I'm going to bring over this time are grading procedures and tutors for nursing students. Once I'm done, I'm going to scroll all the way back to the top and click on the Finalize button. Now this will take you to the final screen, which is called Confirm Import, and this is just going to show you all of the options that you had selected on the last screen so that you can check your work and make sure you didn't make any mistakes. For example, I have extra things importing here that I don't want to import. Now, if you make a mistake, there's not a back button, but you can still go back by clicking the name of the last screen. Now I'm going to fix the mistakes that I made. Scroll back to the top and click Finalize once again. Now that I've got everything set up the way that I want, I'm going to click Start Import of the following content. When the import is done, you will see these little check marks appear, and you can click the Close button. Now you will see that nothing imported except for the sections that I wanted to import. If you really make a mistake and need to start completely over, you can use the Reset button to completely wipe your content in your syllabus. Click on Reset, and then select any of the sections that you want to reset. I'm just going to click Select All to select everything. And then down at the bottom, click Next. It will ask you to confirm that all of these sections are going to get reset. If that's what I want, I'm going to click Reset. And when that's done, I can click Close and see that my syllabus is completely empty once again.